Whiteness of darkness, the stories told by firelight, the long nights, the food fights, a summer made of memories at Camp Candy. The moonlight, the sunshine, the rainy days and wet nights at Camp Candy.
Camp Candy will return after these messages. We now return to Camp Candy.
Today we're going to learn the fine art of canoeing.
Sean, watch out!
What's wrong? Remember, a canoe is extremely light and tips over very easily, so you must be very careful getting into one. Ow! Canoeing is one of camping's greatest pleasures. Oh, the water whispering by you as you glide silently along, the gentle breeze ruffling your hair, and the gentle splashing of water against your face. While we're enjoying the canoe ride, let me tell you another story about water. It all started the day little Binky volunteered to water our vegetable garden.
This hose must be busted. A big hose, that's what I need. I want to make those vegetables grow. No way I'll eat them, though. Huh? Gotcha! Whoa!
At that very moment, I was busy catching up on, world events.
You know, Iggy, summer camp would be totally cool if it just had one thing.
An escape clause? No.
Surfing, catching an awesome wave, hanging 10 as you shred the tube. Man, I can almost hear the surf now.
Why can't you?
Way to go, Iggy. Tubuloso moves, dude.
Me? Tubuloso? Can you believe it? I'm a totally tubular surfing dude. Cowabunga!
But that wave wasn't all fun and games. By the time it was over, the campgrounds were completely waterlogged.
I can't get this mud out of my hair. Now I'll never look fabulous.
But you always said mud packs were good for your complexion.
Oh, this is all your fault, Binky. Oh, Binky.
I'm sorry, Vanessa. I was only trying to help.
Please, Binky, stop trying to help. You're too small.
Okay. Are you proud of yourself, Vanessa? Making little Binky feel bad?
You're right. I guess I was a little rough on him. But not having my hair just right always makes me so cranky.
Binky did what he always does when he's feeling low. He climbed a tree.
Nobody likes me on account of I'm so small. I wish I had a friend the same size as me. Hi, you want to be best friends? All right.
Meanwhile, Robin, worried about Binky, had gone to the forest to look for him.
Binky! Yoo-hoo! Binky! Binky! Hey, wait! Binky, where are you? Here I am. Oh, you scared me. Well, you scared away my best friend. Your best friend? In a tree? He's a bird. Here's one of his feathers. Where have I seen that kind of feather before? He's a great big bird with a million different colors and two big things on his head. That definitely sounds familiar. Let me look it up in my bird book. That's him! That's the one! But that's a twin-crested nut warbler. They're extinct. It did not stink. Watch what you say about my friend. No, extinct. It means there aren't any more of them. But I tell you, I saw one. Okay, did it make a call like this?